Hi, my name is Paolo. I'm PubCoder founder and CTO, and I'm here to tell you all the secrets of PubCoder. In this video, I'll tell you about the image object. The image object is one of the most useful objects in PubCoder. The supported formats are PNG, JPEG, GIF, TIFF, bitmap, and PSD. Obviously, the Photoshop format will not include layers, as it is rasterized once inserted in the app. How can you insert an image? Drag the image object onto the stage. Double-click on the object. This will open a menu that will allow you to choose how to insert the image. Import it either from the assets library or from your computer or from the internet. If you choose to import it from the assets library, click on its icon and you will be prompted in the list of assets already imported into the project. At this point, choose your image, click OK, and it will be imported into the stage. If you want to insert an image from your computer, again, drag the image object on the stage, double-click on it, and the local folders will be prompted. Choose the image you want to insert, click Open, and it will be imported on the stage. If you choose to import an image from the internet, this is the way to do it. As before, drag the image object onto the stage, double-click and select Import from Internet. Once you click on its icon, a window with a search engine will pop up with two tabs. The default selected tab is Photos. This means that the search engine will look for an image within a web archive with thousands of images called Unsplash. Simply insert your keyword for an image you're looking for in the search engine, for example, paint, and the search engine will return all images based on that keyword. If you're interested in searching an icon instead of an image, select the Icon tab, and a search will be executed among thousands of icons available on a web archive called the Noun project. In this example, I'm looking for a smartphone icon. Just enter the keyword and all results concerning smartphones will be presented. Click on Import Image, select Done, and you will find the image automatically inserted on the stage. What you actually insert onto the stage is a mask of the image object. As such, inside the image object, you can cover the entire object with the image by selecting Fill to Object. You can position the image to fit the object with Fit the Object, or you can position the image at the center of the object itself. This latter is similar to the Fill Object option, the difference being that while with Fill Object the image tends to enlarge, in this case the image will adapt to the object but keeping the same size. Obviously, our image have other important properties. You can change width, height, rotation, you can hide it, set an opacity, set effects, set a background color, etc. If you're not satisfied with the default mask options, just double-click on the image and make a manual cutout yourself as desired. In this case, a manual crop window will open. Through the resize bar, you may zoom the image in and out. Through the rotate bar, you can rotate it. By dragging the image, you can also move it around inside the mask. One last thing. For any format file supported by PubCoder, such as videos, audios, SVGs, images, and even plain text code, you can select an app editor of your choice with which to open these file types directly from the stage and/or from the Assets panel. Go to Preferences, External Editors. In my case, I have selected Photoshop for Image Editor. If you're working on a project and you realize you need to make a small change to the image, you can double-click on the image itself to open the Image menu. Click on Open in Favorite Editor. As you can see in my case, the image will be opened by Photoshop. What happens if at this point I, for example, want to change green background color of the image? I select the green area, Then I choose a different green color, I click OK, and before saving, I merge the two levels. By holding Command Shift on a Mac and selecting the two layers, I merge the levels, and at this point I save it. Once saved, it will automatically change also inside PubCoder. In fact, the green I set inside Photoshop is also appearing on the image inside PubCoder.